Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson, and we're here at Mahoe Drive, but there was an underground leak here some days ago. We can now say that leak has been repaired. So you can see the work took place earlier on an underground leak here at Mahoe Drive, and we can say that the leak that was here by the sidewalk has been repaired. And also, in the middle of the road here, where the leak was, it has also been, so no more leak here along the Mahoe Drive area. No more leak along this area. And so again, so no more leak, as you can see, along the roadway. And also no more water springing from the sidewalk, as we showed in the earlier video. So repair work took place here along Mahoe Drive. Dudley Thompson for Roots FM News, and also for WDT Media TV.